Harris County District Attorney's Office has dismissed a handful of charges against two men who, for years, have been at the center of a voter fraud conspiracy theory case.
This case stretches back to 2020 when Republican mega donor Dr. Stephen Hotze hired former HPD Captain Mark Aguirre to investigate voter fraud. Aguirre allegedly followed an AC repairman for several days before causing a crash, holding the man at gunpoint, and searching his repair van for 750,000 fraudulent ballots, which ended up not existing.
A lot going on in this story, to say the least. Now, both Aguirre and Hotze were charged. However, now most of those felony charges have been dismissed. ABC 13's Liliana Pearson live outside the DA's office.
Yeah, we know in all 7 felonies were dismissed. All the felonies against Hotze, as well as 3 that were against Aguirre, though he still does face 2 felony charges. We did get a statement today from DA Sean Tier's office. In that statement, he says that this is a pattern of overcharging under former DA Kim Ogg. She could not be reached for comment today. Tier's team cites insufficient evidence, saying some charges could not be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. The lawyers for Hotze and Aguirre saying that evidence they asked for sometimes couldn't be produced. Hotze spoke only briefly today and painted his former criminal charges as politically motivated.
I want to commend Sean Tier for dismissing my criminal case and ensuring that justice was done. For the last 4 years, Kim Ogg has waged lawfare against me because of my efforts to ensure voter integrity in Harris County, and I thank God that today I was vindicated.
And it's worth noting that Hotze was indicted by a grand jury. Meanwhile, Aguirre, as we mentioned, does face a felony charge for aggravated assault and a deadly weapon and unlawful restraint. And David Lopez, he's the AC repairman at the center of all this. He does still have a civil suit. I spoke to his lawyer today. His lawyer telling me he felt that Tier had no choice but to drop these felony charges, even though this lawyer tells me he feels like something criminal did happened here. He says he wishes this entire case was handled differently from the beginning. From downtown, Liliana Pearson, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.